Quick Shots is a shooting mode for Mavic Air 2, which automatically captures excellent videos wherever you go. In this video, you will learn about various quick shots, including drone, rocket, helix, circle, boomerang, asteroid. At the end, we will show you how you can share all that you've captured with video playback and sharing. Before using quick shots, make sure the drone is in normal mode. Also, make sure you are flying in an obstacle-free, open area. If you are not familiar with the planned flight route, we suggest that you start with something shorter. Take off and let the drone hover at least 2 meters above the ground. Tap the shooting mode icon at the right side of the app and select quick shots. Drone. Select drone and set the maximum flight distance. You can wave at the drone to automatically select the subject and start shooting right away. You can also tap or frame the subject on the screen. Next, tap Start to begin shooting. The drone will fly backward and descend with the camera locked on the subject. Once the shooting is finished, the aircraft will fly back to its original position. Rocket. Select Rocket and set the maximum flight height. Next, tap Start to begin shooting. The aircraft will ascend with the camera pointing downward. Once the shooting is finished, the aircraft will fly back to its original position. Circle. Select Circle and set the circle direction. Next, tap Start to begin shooting. The aircraft will begin recording while flying in a circle around the subject, using the current distance as the radius. Helix. Select Helix and set the maximum flight radius. Next, tap Start to begin shooting. The distance between your current position and the subject will be used as the original radius. The aircraft will then ascend and spiral around the subject. Once the shooting is finished, the aircraft will fly back to its original position. Boomerang. Select Boomerang. Next, tap Start to begin shooting. The aircraft will then fly and shoot around the subject along an oval path. Asteroid. Select Asteroid and set the maximum flight distance. Next, tap Start to begin shooting. The aircraft will then fly backward, ascend to the set distance, and hover to capture an incredible panorama. Once the shooting is finished, the aircraft will fly back to its original position. When finished shooting, tap the X on the right side of the app, or press the RTH button on the remote controller to exit quick shots. Then the drone will hover. It should be noted that accidentally touching the control stick will also stop the quick shot. After shooting, tap the playback icon in the app to view the captured video. Tap the switch button in the lower right corner to switch between the original clip and the generated video. Tap the download icon in the bottom left corner to save the original clip or the generated video to your smartphone. You can also tap the edit icon in the lower right corner to edit the original clip or the generated video. Tap the share icon in the upper right corner to share what you have captured with friends. And there you go!
Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.